Today's subject is how to remove phlegm and cough in 7 seconds. What I'm talking about is that chronic coughing or chronic phlegm. What I'm talking about, instant coughing and phlegm, which means is how to prevent. And if that become stay long time, then obviously it's difficult, and then you need so many medicine, you have to go to the doctor. So we may be able to prevent coughing and phlegm. In order to go to home visit for the patient, I came out from the home and walk about the half block. Then I felt something just like that. Then instantly, wait a second, what happened? Then I felt a little chilly on my upper body. So what I did was, these days everybody get this mask, face mask. So I put this one right away. Then I feel right away, something coming up, coming down. And about 7 seconds later, then I felt very comfortable. Then I realized, okay, because this is a season of fall, then the temperature is coming down, and therefore the outside air becoming cool. So this cold air goes into my body, and my body is warm. Then this cold and hot get together. That caused the problem. Now, if I don't have a mask, then what? We have to use our hand. Then we just cover up our nose and mouth with hand. Obviously you leave some space, otherwise you cannot breathe in. So then what's going to happen is, because of mask here, some warm air stay inside here. They can make a buffer zone, and then instead of cold air coming in directly, then becoming a little warm because of my breathing, and some warmness stay between my mouth and nose and with the mask. So worst cases we can wear the mask and also use a hand to cover up. However, some people said, when cold air comes into my body, then my chest feel cold. Then difficult to breathe, and then many kind of things that happen after, because of cold air and hot air produced inside the body. Then our saliva, things like that, we call those kind of essence turn into a little thicker. Then this is thicker between saliva and then phlegm, and this one is not good for the body. So then our body, this is not good, try to push out. That's why that's a thin phlegm produced inside the body. So therefore, in order to remove with coughing, to get out of that, phlegm. So we understand, sometimes that, when you watch the, weather channel or news, that, okay, hot air, then cold air get together, then rain coming down. Our body is small universe. So same thing happen in our body, the same, phenomenon in the air happen in our body, but looks a little different. From outside, the rain come, but inside, and instead of raining, changing to the regular saliva, things like that, into a little thicker. So therefore, then in our body, realize, oh, this is no good for our body, so try to remove out. So that's why we coughing. Coughing is not first. Thin, phlegm, that is the first. The thin phlegm, if we do not take care of it right away, then this one become thicker. Then this one is changed into phlegm. Then phlegm is in the beginning is white phlegm. Then later turn to yellow phlegm, and then furthermore, then it's like gray or almost like a black color. Then it's very difficult to treat. You go to Eastern doctor or Western doctor, it's not easy. So, but as long as you remember, what we talk about all the time, wind and the summer heat, and the damp, and here is dryness, and here is cold. And the summer heat is almost equal to, we call it heat too. So all you have to memorize is, you memorize this one, then on this case is combination of wind and cold. So when you understand this concept, then you are going to prevent many disease and many symptoms already. So try to memorize this one and use for yourself. Thank you so much for your watching.